action.
Squash one, squash two.
Ronan, come back to me. Come back to me.
Come back to me. Easy chainsaw. Come back to me, man. I'm supposed to be the dead one, not you. Welcome to our show. Noah. Show about me. And this turd, Ronan. Ladies and gentlemen, this is his pet cat, Chainsaw. Anyway, my show's sponsored by Nino's.
It's Nino's.
Nino's. Show is sponsored by Nino's. Place where all Avalon B gets their pizza. Because we're like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, man. We just need a pizza. Yeah, you want to ask some questions there, Blue?
Okay, hold on. I need it.
I kissed her once.
You did?
Did you know? She went to practice for Adam before she killed him.
No, it wasn't.
Killed Adam?
Yeah. I
No
mean,
way.
she wasn't her true love, so
It
we all know
wasn't
that she
Adam.
ended up with Gansey.
What?
Never mind. Forget about old chum. Anyway, Blue, he threw me out a window one time.
Can we just elaborate on that? Can that just be...
Yeah, one time he came in my room and he was like,
Hey Noah, let's go.
I was like, where? Me wanted to fit in with the dudes. Just wanted, he was like,
Let's go, man.
I was like, okay. Went into his room. He opened the window, picked me up, threw me out the window. I'm dead, so like, I can't die.
So it's fine.
That's what happened.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
Like your soul. Like your soul. Dead. Exactly.
What's your favorite thing about being dead, Noah?
Can't go fishing. Favorite thing about being dead is I get to scare the bejesus out of people.
Do you ever scare the bejesus out of Ronan?
Yeah. I turned off the lights when he was in the
I'm
shower
never
one time.
scared.
It was so funny. And he started screaming like a little girl. It's like,
That's not true.
afraid of the dark, Mom!
That's not true.
It was so true, though.
That's not true.
And on and on. Come back to me, man. You started singing too.
What was the last movie you saw?
Squash one, squash two, on and on and on. I like that. Being dead sucks.
Ignore it. It's Gansey again.
It's a call.
Hey, bestie. Yeah.
Gansey, can you pick up some pizza? Please.
You can't even eat it.
Well, right for you, man, I'm being considerate.
Well, if I don't want pizza.
Do you want pizza?
We just had pizza.
I'll call Domino's.
Either Domino's or Nino's.
Nino's?
10 Nino's pizzas.
You're calling Gansey.
We'll freeze them. Your arms. Girl, it smells like blue.
Hey.
Why are you opening your mouth like that?
I mean, what am I supposed to eat?
Wait, can you smell?
Chill.
Can you smell?
No, I'm deaf. Smelling blind.
Nose blind.
Nose blind. That's what I am. I'm nose blind. Because I'm dead. Technically not even supposed to be seeing blind.
I think you should give Ronan a chance to talk.
I thought you were about to say, I think you should give
I'm
birth to
fine with not
Ronan.
talking.
One. Squash two. And on and on and on.
Why did you decide to make this show, Noah?
Because I felt like it was a good chance to bond with him and forgive him for throwing me out a window.
I knew you'd be okay.
I'm dead.
Leave it on.
Okay, well listen, I used to hop around
Hop
around town with this guy named Teacher Face. I'm not gonna reveal his name. He killed me. So after that, you can guess I'm pretty innocent.
No
Which
pain, no
is
gain.
visible.
It is mostly
Work on our
leg day,
glutes.
but I do like
I work on butt day. My favorite day.
every day is butt day for me.
Yeah.
And we listen to this song on repeat.
Squash one, squash two, and on and on and on.
What do you have to say about Gansey?
Gansey's my brother. He took me in from another mother, gave me a room to live, place to stay, even though I'm a ghost.
Aren't you kind of just like invading?
Yeah. He didn't realize until like a couple weeks ago that I was dead.
Whose phone is that?
Candy's. Stole it.
You called him earlier, though. Whose phone was he using?
The pizza's phone. Oh, we look high. We look like we're on drugs.
We're high
Where are we
on the
taking
drug
that?
of brothers.
What are your opinions on Adam?
I think he's a twerp.
Don't say that about our friend.
Anything
I'm not
else?
talking.
Anything?
Yeah, I'm a visco girl.
Squash one! Squash